Welcome to a deep dive into an emotion often misunderstood, often misused, and often deeply painful. Today, we're exploring anger, not as a flaw, but as a fascinating signal. Prepare to shift your perspective on this powerful feeling. For many, anger is seen as a force to be wielded, a weapon to project onto others when we feel wronged. We believe it can make us powerful, create change, or even deliver justice. But what if this common understanding is fundamentally flawed? Imagine anger not as a sword or a shield, but as a burning hot coal that you pick up with your bare hands. It's radiating intense heat, pulsating with energy. Your initial instinct, fueled by hurt or frustration, is to throw this burning coal at the person or situation that ignited your anger. You want them to feel the heat, the sting, the discomfort you're experiencing. But here's the critical truth. While you hold on to that hot coal, aiming it, preparing to launch it, or even just clenching it, who is feeling the most immediate and intense pain? It's you. The heat sears your own hand. The smoke chokes your own breath. This metaphor reveals a profound truth. Anger, in its raw, unmanaged form, is not an effective weapon. It doesn't truly harm others in the way we intend. Its primary impact is on the person holding it. You might yell, lash out, or stew in resentment, but the ultimate suffering, the internal turmoil, the elevated heart rate, the disturbed peace, remains within you. The other person may be momentarily affected, but you are the one enduring the sustained burn. Anger, when held onto, becomes a self-inflicted wound. It erodes your well-being, clouds your judgment, and prevents genuine connection or constructive action. So, if anger isn't a weapon, what is it? It's a signal. Think of it as a sophisticated warning system, an internal alarm. It's not there to punish others. It's there to inform you. Specifically, anger is a clear, unmistakable sign that a boundary has been crossed. It tells you that something important to you has been violated, disrespected, or threatened. It's your internal system shouting, "Pay attention." This reframing is crucial. Anger is an internal message, not an external tool. It's information for you to process, not ammunition to fire at someone else. Often, people believe that holding on to anger, nursing a grudge, or maintaining a furious stance makes them strong. They equate intensity of feeling with power. But holding onto that hot coal tighter doesn't make you powerful, it makes you captive. It binds you to the very thing that is causing you pain, preventing you from moving forward or finding genuine solutions. The heat intensifies, the discomfort grows, and your energy is consumed by the effort of maintaining that painful grip. It keeps you chained to the past hurt, unable to see clearly or act freely. True strength lies not in how tightly you can hold on to that burning coal, but in the courage to drop it. It's in the wisdom to recognize its true nature, a signal, not a weapon, and to respond constructively. Dropping the coal means releasing the anger. It means consciously choosing to let go of the need to punish, to control, or to be right. It means reclaiming your inner peace. This isn't about ignoring the boundary that was crossed. It's about addressing it from a place of clarity and self-preservation, rather than from a place of self-inflicted pain. It's for your own well-being. Now, this doesn't mean anger is useless. The fire of that coal, the energy, the passion, the conviction can be transformed. Instead of letting it burn you, use its heat to illuminate the boundary that was crossed. Use it to understand what you truly value, what you need to protect, and what steps you need to take for yourself. Channel that internal fire not to burn bridges or consume yourself, but to build new understandings, establish healthier boundaries, and create a stronger, more resilient you. Use it to build, not burn. So the next time anger flares, remember the hot coal. Don't throw it, don't cling to it. Drop it, observe its message, and use that powerful internal fire to build a better, more peaceful, and empowered version of yourself. You have the power to choose.